Hey there, seekers of positive change. Welcome back to our channel where we're all about empowering you to make meaningful transformations in your life. Today, we're diving deep into the topic of how to make changes for good. If you're ready to embark on a journey of personal growth, this video is for you. Change is never easy, but it's essential for personal development and achieving our goals. In this video, we'll share practical tips and strategies to help you make lasting changes that stick. So, step 1, define your why. Before making any change, it's important to really understand your motivation. What drives you? What do you hope to achieve? Identifying your why will provide the necessary fuel to keep you going when challenges arise. Step 2, set clear goals. Clear and specific goals are the roadmap to your desired change. Break down your overarching goal into smaller, achievable milestones. This will make your journey more manageable and keep you motivated along the way. Step 3, cultivate self-awareness. To make lasting change, it's crucial to be aware of your current habits, patterns, and beliefs. Self-reflection and mindfulness practices can help you understand yourself better and identify areas where change is needed. Step 4, take action. Change doesn't happen by wishful thinking alone. It requires taking consistent action towards your goals. Start small and build momentum. Every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to your desired outcome. Step 5, seek support. Don't be afraid to ask for help along your journey. Surround yourself with supportive friends, family, or even a mentor who can provide guidance, encouragement, and accountability for you. Step 6, embrace new habits. Sustainable change comes from adopting new habits that align with your goals. Identify habits that will support your desired change and integrate them into your daily routine. And speaking of routines, imagine effortlessly creating the perfect schedule by dropping your to-do list and letting AI optimize it for you. Join our waitlist for BeforeSunset AI and be one of the first to experience the power of AI-driven scheduling. Share the waitlist link with your friends and colleagues to spread the word. So, without further ado, click the link in the description box below to join our waitlist and take control of your time like never before. Together, we'll create a future of productivity and success. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your notifications on. Till then, take care. See you soon.